Welcome back to my channel. Today we will make a lined drawstring bag with two pieces of fabric from two different designs. One will be used for the lining. For this bag, you will need a threaded sewing machine, two different fabric designs, iron, ironing board or pad, drawstring or cord, ruler and or tape measure, scissors, marking pen or pencil, fabric clips or pins. You can also purchase a drawstring threader, which is faster than attaching a safety pin to one end of the drawstring or cord to feed it through the bag casing, but it's optional and up to you. I purchased mine from Joann's. Measure and cut the fabric to your preferred size, but my preferred measurement is 20 inches long by 11 inches wide for each piece of fabric. Measure and mark 1.5 inches down from the top of each piece. With right sides touching each other, sew the sides up to the marks for both fabrics, then open the seam allowance and press flat. Stitch along the sides of the bag that form a V for all four sides as shown. Turn outer sides right sides out and insert the lining inside the outer bag with wrong sides together. Line up the side seams and top, then pin and sew along the top to attach the lining to the bag. Turn the top under once just past the stitch line, then turn under again. Stitch near the bottom of the casing. The casing will be where your drawstring or cord will feed through. Attach a safety pin to one end of the drawstring or cord and feed through all the way around, then tie a knot at the end. Or use a drawstring threader as shown. Repeat with the opening on the other side. You now have a fully lined drawstring bag.